Today I'm going to show you how to approve a case after you talk to the patient and the patient is agreeing to do the treatment. So first of all, I'm going to go into waiting for approval here and click on 3D plus I. After the window is opening, I will click the treatment plan I decided for, which is in this case treatment plan 2. I'm going to click on sign the order confirmation online, and here I'm going to click on continue. Afterwards, I will scroll a bit downstairs to the red square. In the red square, I'm going to add my city, which is Essen, and afterwards sign here and click on continue. As soon as I've done that, the aligners are ordered and we will start the production.